The new BMW M4 CSL represents a highly concentrated showcase for the racing craft of BMW M team and its expertise in powertrain and chassis development and lightweight design. The exceptionally powerful inline six-cylinder engine works together with the 8-speed M Steptronic transmission, the powertrain's extremely rigid mounting, and rear-wheel drive to deliver an emotionally inspiring and rewarding performance experience laced with thrilling acceleration. The M engineers have managed to restrict the CSL's curb weight to 3,640 pounds. An outstanding power-to-weight ratio of 6.7 pounds per horsepower provides the ideal platform for a dynamically masterful driving experience. The new BMW M4 CSL can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, while the top speed is an electronically limited 191 miles per hour. Intelligent lightweight design was a fundamental strategy in the development of the new BMW M4 CSL, one that was applied on a detailed level. For example, conventional components for the exterior and interior, powertrain and chassis were replaced with lightweight model-specific alternatives. Fitting M carbon full bucket seats alone reduced weight by 53 pounds, while a further 46 pounds were saved by removing the rear seats and seat belts and integrating a partition between the cabin and luggage compartment. Chassis alterations, including the addition of standard lightweight M carbon ceramic brakes and forged light alloy wheels, springs and struts, reduced weight by another 46 pounds. Switching to ultra-lightweight sound insulation and reducing the amount used saved another 33 pounds. The use of CFRP components on the outside and inside saves an additional 24 pounds. A titanium rear silencer cuts more than 9 pounds from the weight of the exhaust system. Detail modifications shave another 8 pounds from areas, including the BMW kidney grille, rear lights, floor mats and automatic climate control. In test runs on the Nürburgring's Nordschleife circuit, the M4 CSL posted a lap time of 7:20.2, the fastest time ever for a series production BMW. Lap times aside, the new M4 CSL also offers the everyday usability for which high-performance sports cars from BMW M are celebrated. This means drivers can enjoy an intense racing car feeling on the road as well as on the track. Production of the new BMW M4 CSL has began at plant Dingolfing in July 2022 and will be limited to just 1,000 units globally. Its starting price was $139,900 plus a $995 destination fee.